Shrimp and Salmon Croquettes with fried rice and spicy remoulade dipping sauce. Let's make the dipping sauce first. Combine a half a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon each of Dijon mustard, lemon juice, and pickle juice, a teaspoon each of paprika and hot sauce, salt and pepper. Mix well and chill into the refrigerator. For the croquettes, chop up 1 salmon fillet and a pound of shrimp. Combine with 2 large eggs, half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, half a cup of shredded Gouda cheese, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 sprigs of chopped parsley, 2 sprigs of chopped dill, and 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Saute in olive oil for 5 minutes, a chopped yellow onion, half a red bell pepper, and a tablespoon of capers. Add it to the bowl of shrimp and salmon and season with a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, paprika, mustard powder, and celery seed, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of cinnamon and nutmeg. Mix it well, cover with plastic wrap, and chill it in the refrigerator. For the fried rice, use a wok with oil on medium heat. Scramble 3 eggs and set them aside. Cook 6 ounces of chopped bacon and set it aside. Cook a small chopped yellow onion for 5 minutes. Add in 4 cloves of chopped garlic and cook for another minute. Add in 5 cups of cooked rice and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, the cooked bacon, and the cooked eggs. Season with salt and pepper and stir everything together. Form the shrimp and salmon mixture into patties and put them onto a plate of panko breadcrumbs. Add some olive oil to a pan on medium heat and cook the croquettes for 3.5 minutes per side. Plate the croquettes, add the fried rice and dipping sauce, and you're ready to serve. Shrimp and salmon croquettes with fried rice and spicy remoulade dipping sauce. It's going to be delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.